Hey guys, welcome back to Oregon Outdoors. I am your host, Wyatt Brand. So today we are going to the car show at Cirrhosis Park. We'll see you there in a minute.
Whew, shape feels good.
Not exactly. Yeah, it's the precursor to these are.
What do you think of that one? It's pretty slick, isn't it? You want to go look at that one? Good pick. This one's cool.
Ice pop car.
The ice pop car.
Yeah.
It's an AMC Rebel. Dude, look at the inside. That is cool.
A 1966 dry white car, and Bob Rivers came along and did a comedy version of that same.
Yum. Okay, get behind me for a second.
The ice pop mobile.
I know. That's a cool car, dude.
You know the bomb pop?
Yeah,
That's what it looks like.
kinda, huh?
It's bomb pop car. Ice pop bomb pop car. The bomb pops and the ice pop are the same.
What's up, buddy? I know. Nice car. All right, Wyatt, tell me 3 things you like about it. The stripes? Yeah, those are pretty cool. What else? The hood scoop? What else? One more. There's only 2 things? You can't think of 3 things that you like about this car, bro? Well, the stripes count as 1. You can't count both stripes. The wheels? I think the wheels are really cool too. They look like the old school Kragers. Oh, that one's neat.
on.
So there's one. I see one. See right there on the dash?
Yeah, I got the.
Oh, you got that one? Okay, so 4 more. So point them all out to me so like we can see.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where's the 5th one?
I don't know. Can you see it?
No, I haven't found it yet. Ah, he got it. Good job. Good job. That's awesome.
Next car, guys, is this guy right here. Damn, the interior is fire. And the wheels too are fire also. Sick. This is a sick car, guys. Ooh, see these? These are like rocket things. Guys, I can't read that. Just tell me in the comments. Right there.
Little old lady from Pasadena. Can't have a hard time about that one. Oh, no items. 12 months in interest-free financing on approved credit. Straight time here to get the furniture you want.
Okay, guys, here's the next one. A purple car. And there's a tiger right there.
I'll tell you what, they are good.
Scooty Motors.
There's a lost and found at the registration table. I believe there's some glasses up there.
I don't know why there's a bottle there.
So if you're missing your glasses, you might want to check with the lost and found.
Bro, there's an Indian inside of here. And there's another tiger. Let's go on the other side, guys.
You gotta fill out all these. What do you think about that guy?
It's very cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Right on, buddy.
Put my thing on. And he's wearing jeans. And then that's so sick. Let's look in here. Let's look at the back.
I think this is the coolest car here, son. This car is just absolutely badass. Wish Grandpa could see this car, man. He would love this thing.
Okay, guys, next car. This one right here. There's another bottle right there. 1923. No, yeah, 1923 Ford T-Bucket Jenny Rando Dallas. Man, cars in the 20s, man, are fire and weird. Big dang wheels. Right there. Okay, next car.
See inside?
Sure.
I'll give you a close-up.
Oh, heck yeah. What do you tell her?
Thank you.
There you go. You can even climb up in there if you want.
Thank you.
Wow.
This is one of the reasons why my husband does it. He loves to see the smiles on the kids.
All right. We'll do that. I'll get your picture.
Okay.
I'm looking at myself. There we go.
We had this part.
Oh, that's a good one. All right, now look at me. Oh yeah. He thinks he's the coolest man alive. awesome.
Well, before we towards came along, Jan and Army.
Last and final car of the day. The yellow banana car. The motor. The wheels. In the front. And right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, it says 1931 Ford Victoria Greg Winkler, Ty Valley, Oregon. And Dad, I want this to be the this, like,
Thumbnail?
yeah, right here. And guys, I hope you liked that video, and I want you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe, and smash that bell. I'll see you guys in the next Oregon Outdoors video. Peace.